MacVoices is supported by Text Expander by Smile. Find out just how powerful a few keystrokes can be at textexpander.com. MacVoices is in Las Vegas for CES. I'm Chuck Joyner. Folks, this time we're going to go 2 for 1. We're in the PAPAGO booth to talk about dash cams, but they're also showing my Gecko Gear dash cams in the PAPAGO booth. Chloe's going to tell us about it all. Chloe, welcome. It's good to see you.
Good to see you too.
So tell me, what all do we have here with all these dash cams? You have a lot of different options.
Yeah, we have a lot of new dash cams this year, and I'll be showing you all of the dash cams from both PAPAGO and my Gecko Gear.
Great, let's go.
Okay, so we have the GoSafe 535. It's a small screen, so it's very compact, and it shoots in 1296p, and it has 7 levels of exposure. This is a great starter cam.
Okay.
So here we have the GoSafe S37. This is another great starter cam. This has the Sony Exmor sensor, so it ensures that users have crystal clear footage for day and nighttime. This is perfect for low light settings especially.
Okay.
And now we have the GoSafe S780. This is a dual camera system. It has the Sony Starvis sensor, which is a newer sensor and is great for low light settings as well, and it shoots in 1080p.
Now when you say a dual system, this is front and back?
Yeah, so this little rear camera is for the back, and this is on your front windshield.
Excellent, okay.
And now we have another camera, the GoSafe S810. This is another dual system as well, but this one is more affordable and it's a lot larger. This one is the rear camera and the front camera, and this has the Sony Exmor sensor. So it's good for low light settings as well.
Okay. We're halfway there.
Now we have the GoSafe Beathead. This is another dual system, but it's 2 cameras in one system. So this is good for rideshare drivers. So you don't need to install 2 cameras and you just have one system.
Okay, so to be clear, so this obviously is taking what's out there, but then this camera right here is taking the cockpit of the car.
Yeah, so it's good for like Uber drivers or Lyft drivers, so you always have like footage of your passenger and what's happening behind.
Yeah, that's great. Not only do you have footage, but you also can look up and see what they're doing behind you as well.
Exactly.
Yeah, very nice.
And now we have the GoSafe S10 Wi-Fi. This one is good if you are looking for something small and compact. This one doesn't have a screen, but it also has the Sony Exmor sensor as well. And this one has Wi-Fi capability, so you can actually view the footage on your phone and transfer the data from your phone.
Okay. And now we're into the my Gecko Gear.
Yes, now we're in the my Gecko Gear. This is the Owl Scout. This is also a dual dash camera, and this is the camera facing inside the vehicle, and the camera on the front, you can see on the front, and you can see in the rear view in the back. And this has GPS logging, so you could see all the routes that you've driven, and it shoots in 1080p, and this one has the Sony Exmor sensor as well. And this one is the starlet camera. This is more of the standard camera. It has the Sony Starvis sensor, and it shoots in 1296p, and it has a small 2-inch LCD screen. And now we have the W200. This is another small compact camera. It has the Sony Exmor sensor. It shoots in 1296p, and this one has Wi-Fi capabilities to transfer and view your footage, and it also has GPS logging as well, so you can see all the routes that you've driven.
Norbert, this is going to be an edit point because I've backed her into a corner.
And what's going on there?
Yes. Come on out. We'll come back to where we started, and then I'll fix it so it's
Okay.
it's a lot better. 3, 2, 1. Chloe, you have such an amazing range of cameras. I don't think I realized that there would be that many. A lot of us think of just dash cams as, okay, there are 2 or 3 key features, but you have a great spread here that is for both size, affordability, and function.
Yeah. So we have a lot of new dash cameras this year, and we're super excited to bring more.
So the first one thing for people that are just getting started, what's the lowest price dash cam, the simplest one to operate?
One of the simplest ones is the GoSafe 535 or S37 with the PAPAGO line, and for the Gecko Gear, the starlet would be the best option for affordability.
And about what kind of pricing is that? I'm sure it differs a little bit.
For PAPAGO, it's $139, and for starlet, let me double check on that. It is $150.
Okay. So very affordable. And folks, I can't say enough, dash cams are something that you really should consider investing in, because they're going to save you if you have a problem. It's going to eliminate any arguments over who did what. If it's your fault, it's going to be your fault. But if it's somebody else's fault, then you've got visual proof that it is somebody else's fault. Chloe, the website where folks can go to learn more about all of these.
So if you want to visit My Gecko Gear, it's www.mygeckogear.com. And for PAPAGO, it's us.papagoinc.com.
Chloe, thanks so much for the time. Really appreciate it. Great job.
Thank you.
Folks, more from Las Vegas and CES. I'm Chuck Joyner. Thanks for watching. Visit MacVoices.com for show notes and to connect with Chuck on social media. Get involved in our MacVoices Facebook group and get more out of your Apple Tech with MacVoices magazine, free on Flipboard. And if you find value in it all, consider supporting us at patreon.com/MacVoices and join these folks who help keep MacVoices coming to you. Advertising handled by Backbeat Media at backbeatmedia.com. Bandwidth provided by CashFly at cashfly.com.